So this question says that P is -3, -5, Q is 5 and 1, R is 5 and 6, and S is 1 and -2. They are points. Now, the first question asks us to find what the gradient of PQ is. Like we said before, the formula for gradient would be and that would be the answer for your gradient. All you had to do was substitute the coordinate for P and the coordinate for Q, and you would have your answers. The next question was for us to find the length of PQ. So we are trying to get the distance of PQ, so we will use the distance formula. And the distance formula is then we substitute. And that will be your distance for PQ. Now C asks us to find M, and M is the midpoint of RS. Okay, so all we just need to do is substitute the midpoint formula. So all we just need to do for this question is substitute the coordinates of R and S, which are so the coordinate of M would end up being 3 and 2. And the final question here asks us to show that P, S, and Q are collinear. Now, what collinear means? Collinear means that P, S, and Q are points on a line. So it means that if you have a straight line that looks like this, that P, S, and Q are on the same line. So to do this, all we have to do to prove a line is collinear is by proving that PS has the same gradient as PQ, which should also have the same gradient as SQ. So we just need to prove two of them. So we're going to try to prove the gradient of PQ is equals to the gradient of SQ. Okay. So as we said, to prove collinear, we need to prove that the gradient of PQ is equals to the gradient of SQ. In the first example, we already proved the gradient of PQ is 3/4. So we know the gradient of PQ is 3/4. So we just need to find what the gradient of SQ is. Now, if it gives us 3/4, then we can say that it's collinear. So writing this out. So as you can see, the gradient of SQ is also 3/4. Now, since both of them are equal, then we can say that they are collinear.